Hey everybody, Jarek here from Addictive Tips. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Evernote on Linux. So one of the only ways, and probably the best way you can use Evernote on Linux, is by installing the whatever Evernote client. So as you can see here, there are a ton of different choices for different distributions. So if you use Ubuntu or Debian, you can choose these two. If you're using Fedora or OpenSUSE, you can use these two, and there are other releases. And there's also an Arch Linux AUR package. So if you use Arch Linux or Manjaro, you can get it too. But I'm going to download the whatever RPM. It should be in my downloads folder already, actually. Actually, it's right here. So once you download it, you can go ahead and launch a terminal. And you can do sudo, for Fedora, you can do sudo dnf install whatever. Enter your password. And it's going to go through and install on my system. And once we do that, we can go ahead and launch the whatever app. And it's going to give you a login screen. You can log in with Google if you have it synced with Google, or you can just use your account. So I'm going to sign in with my account. And my password. Now, once you log in, you get the full-on Evernote web UI. So you're getting an official user interface and all of the good features that it comes with. And you're not having to deal with, like, some weird Linux foreign UI. Not that Linux apps are bad, but a lot of these Evernote clients out there, they don't use the actual Evernote system. So you're just using someone's weird user interface on top of Evernote's backend, and those are never great. But anyways, I haven't used this service in forever, probably like more 5 or 6 years. So I'm a totally different person now, but it's definitely a useful app, and you can see you can store all kinds of stuff in here. I even got an old tablet list from 2015 for my sister, so it's been a long time. But that is how Evernote works on Linux, and that's how you get it going. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one.